Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is EDC for Fun. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're doing a little scale swap on my Rick Hinderer XM18. This is the skinny slicer. Taking off these black G10 scales and putting on these Arctic Storm carbon fiber scales that I got from Sharp Dressed Knives. Full disclosure, I actually like the G10 and the milling that's on here. But before I even bought this knife, I knew I wanted these scales. So they just came in, just got them in the mail from Sharp Dressed Knives. It's a little thing here. Every piece is precision cut by CNC and finished by hand. That's good. You always gotta love quality. Got a cool little sticker here. And it did come, of course, in this plastic sleeve. Pop this guy out. Get a look at that. Looks dope. So we'll get that on, and then also they sent me this little pouch here too. So we'll slide this stuff out of the way, and we'll keep the sticker there, get our tools up here. And I'm anticipating this is gonna be a short and sweet video. It should just be an easy swap. This is a frame lock on that side, so we're not changing anything there. Hopefully I'll just be able to pull the hardware off, pull the scale off, put this scale on. And so without any further ado, we'll give it a shot. We'll go ahead and start with the T8s on the body here. Okay. Well, did that fall out the other side? It did. Got a little thing there. Okay. All right, we'll just stick that over here. I suspect this will do the same thing. We may, in fact, have to hold this thing together. All right, that one's not falling out as easily, so hopefully that'll keep everything together. This one feels like it wants to come out. Yeah, it does. Yep. Hopefully that center one there holds everything together. Get our pivot screw out. And uh-oh, do I need a proprietary tool or something to get that out? It's spinning. I don't think Hinderer gave me anything to take that off. All right, I just checked the box. There's nothing in there. That is really dumb. So I'm gonna find something to try and hold this guy still and pull that off. Bear with me one second. Okay, so I couldn't find anything, but I did just kind of start just pressing my thumb in there as hard as I could, and I did get some traction. So yeah, that's kind of silly. I mean, having a bunch of different hardware is kind of silly. Like, make it all the same. I don't understand why you wouldn't do that. That's beyond me. All right, so hopefully we can do this without this guy completely coming apart. All right, got the G10 off. That's cool. On goes our carbon fiber. Get this pivot in here, lickety split. Oh, be careful, bro. Losing barrel spacers here. Slide this guy in place. Try and pinch that together. Let's get this one in there. Come on. Almost. There we go. I got one. this screw in here. All right, I just realized I'm standing. Let me sit back down. All right, get this barrel spacer in here. And then a little standoff guy. Come on. Finagle. Let me close this blade before I cut myself. There we go. That dropped in there. Last but not least, all right, those are all snug. Tighten the pivot up. Press my thumb in there. That's centered, but do we have blade play? A little bit of blade play. All right, well, hopefully this doesn't bring it off center. No blade play, a little bit off center. Back it off a smidge, bring it back. Centered, no blade play, a little bit of blade play. Hold on a second. Come on, let's get this guy dialed in. All right, still centered. Action feels good. There's just the slightest bit of blade play. Just trying to turn that without over tightening it. There we go. Dead nuts. There you have it. So, really liking this knife. The construction on the hardware thing, yeah, that's really dumb, especially at this price point, but maybe I'm missing something. But I gotta tell you, these look fantastic. And I do like this knife. I'm, hating on the hardware or whatever, but it is just hardware. Everything about this knife is fantastic. It is super solid. It is very comfortable, great size, great materials, great finish work. I'm loving it. So let me know your thoughts. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.